The HydroPro Immersion Circulators feature the sous vide toolbox for calculating your cook time and my presets for recalling frequently cooked products. If you want to set up your cook manually, you can do that too. To begin, enter a temperature set point for the circulator. In manual mode, you can set up to 3 timers for use when staggering cooks or cooking multiple products in the same bath. Swipe left and right to toggle between alarms. The HydroPro Plus allows you to set a probe alarm with holding time for either pasteurization or tenderness. This is useful when delta cooking and the bath is set higher than your desired core temperature. The flow speed is adjustable with 3 settings. Slow and medium can be used at your discretion in either small volumes where excessive turbulence can cause the water to splash, or with low water levels where you want to protect the product from moving around vigorously. For most cooks, it's recommended to use the fast setting. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe, like, and follow us on all of our channels for more great content.